Welcome to my universe, to the massive truth, wherever you're watching me from around the world. I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, you are very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you. Please do me a favor before you leave. Subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my brothers and sisters. To my wonderful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much. Thank you for your correction. Thank you for your maturity. Above all, thank you for your positive energy. Thank you. With that being said, I want to talk about one of the video where I don't first talk about. I think never post them. Maybe now this one fair post, because every day different news now they come out for social media. Different news now they break internet. So now make me want to do this one. The story of this lady where they break internet right now, Blessing Okoro, where they for Instagram with Blessing CEO, where they use another person mansion, they dengue pose. So now I want to talk about the one where I first talk, I never post them. I just come across this one now where she they cry. They say she want me the world know she better die with the truth than she die in silence. She want make the world make they hear waiting really happen. That one not be waiting I expect from that lady, with all due respect to her. Before I give my little opinion, my brothers and sisters, I would like put the video, make una see, mona hear her, mona see wetin she talk, mona just assess what she do there, waiting whether e call for, I really don't know. Maybe you will understand when you watch the video. Please do bear with me. Let me hit it. I'll be back with my opinion.
I want the world to hear this even when I'm gone. A lot of things has gone wrong and I'm asked to keep quiet and not say a word except they're going to kill me. But what more it is to die than what they have done to me on the internet. That the world feels I did something wrong. I would rather prefer to die and tell my story than die being quiet for nothing. I was not arrested by any police officer. No police officer handcuffed me and humiliated me. It was the Onyeze that sent his boys. I was invited to his house. They called me on the phone and told me that he wanted to see me. Stupidly for me, because I had nothing at the back of my mind. I just took my shower, wore my gown, and went to his house. I walked into the compound. I sat on the plastic chair that they gave me outside. 3 boys were holding belts and 2 were holding guns. I asked what the problem was. They shut the gate, collected my phones from me, and asked me to sit on the floor. I asked them why. They said it was the Inspector General of Police that sent them to arrest me. I told them fine, then let's go to the station. They said if I don't keep quiet, they were going to shoot me down and kill me. I had no choice than to sit down because nobody even knew where I was. I was all by myself, sitting on the ground. They took my phones from me. One of them brought out handcuff and handcuffed me on the ground. All I kept begging was, please stop videoing me. They said if I don't say what they asked me to say, that they're going to shoot me down. I had no choice. They videoed me and asked me to say everything. Asked me to say I impersonated Onyeze's house. I invaded his privacy. I came into his compound. They asked me to use my phone and do a live video. I did a live video. They asked me to post it. I did. They asked me to roll on the ground and go and start begging Onyeze in his compound. By then he drove in. As soon as he drove into the compound, I saw a police officer in uniform. I ran to him and told him, "Sir, please, I work with the police. They are humiliating me." And the policeman asked me to get out. Unfortunately, they started doing video calls. The guy who handcuffed me and his friends started calling girls on video calls to mock me. Fortunately for me, they called somebody I knew. And immediately she saw me on the camera, she ran to the destination with her husband and came and started begging them. She begged and begged with her husband. That was the only savior that made them allow them come into the gate. They asked me to sign an undertaking. I didn't even know what the undertaking was about. Asked me to bring out 500,000, except they are going to publish the video. I told them I don't have 500,000, I just finished celebrating my birthday party. They said if I don't bring the money, then I'm going to, the video is going to go all over the internet. After the begging, they said they wanted to go and know my house. They drove to my compound, asked me to bring down my kids. I brought down my kids. They looked at them. On the process of them driving out, they met my mom at the gate. After the whole drama, they drove off. Before I could blink my eye, the video was already on the internet. And I was like, okay, fine, what more is it to life? You guys have posted the video, so what is it? Both you guys won again. Probably, I don't know what happened. They started getting fused. People started asking why I was handcuffed. So in order to cover up, they came back and asked us to have a drink to make social media believe it's a stunt, that nothing really happened. I'm not doing this video to get your sympathy or to get your pity. I have fought for humanity. I've fought for women. I've fought for children. I've fought for single mothers. With my life, with my money, with my position, with my blood. I have. It's killing me at this point of my life that I can't fight for myself. I tried so hard to be strong because everybody says I am strong. But I wanted the world to know what happened before I leave, before I take my own life. I would die in my grave. I would never rest if I have to die without people knowing what happened to me. It's okay for you to judge, run your mouth and say things. It's your mouth. That's what it's meant for. All I want is for the world to know that I did not jump into his house. No police officer arrested me. I was never detained. I was just handcuffed. They did the video and posted it online. That is all I have to say. That is all. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, my brothers and sisters, hope you see the video. Hope you hear her. Hope you see her they cry. She not even feel look camera. She the form and they cry. I really feel for her. The disgrace, yes, the disgrace too much. But now waiting she sow, now she reap. Anything you sow for this life, you must reap them. When you sow lie, when you sow what you not be, what you will reap now be this one. So my brothers and sisters and the next generation, our children, I beg una, make una beg, una learn from this girl, make una learn from this lady. I beg una in the name of God, because anything you do, karma must serve you. It will only take time. It must come to light. It must come out. It not get it be. That is why me personally, I don't believe say secrets they exist. I don't believe say there is something like secret, because it will be secret for just some time. It will be secret for some years. It must surely come out. That is why you just have to be yourself. Talk true. Anything where you see, talk am. Waiting people where they talk true now, those people, they mostly they say they lie, because they'll say I know use to send you message. If you know use to send me message, not use me to do weakness. No measure my name there. No mention my name for where you no want. Make me for come testify wetin I see, because I no go feel lie. Wetin I see now I go talk. Wetin I see now I go talk. So many people where they say this person they lie, or this person they lie, or some people where they talk true. Now those people now that they mostly call liars pass. You see those ones where they lie. Now people they call say that they talk true. Now people they like pass. So make we are beg, because of our children. They always do my video, because they always do my video, and they always they talk. They always they beg my brothers and sisters. Not because of our generation again. Our generation, it will take the grace of God. It will take the good spirits. It will take the good spirit grace to repair this our generation. They always they talk for the next generation. Because when we not start to correct some things where some people they do, children will copy from it. Children will copy from it. I bet my life on it. So that is why I always they talk. Make we beg. Make we stop this pretending. She comes social media waiting me. I expect now to say I'm sorry for living fake life. I'm sorry for misleading people. I'm really and truly sorry. Apologize to your fans. Not be say you come social media and say I want the world to know that I did not jump in the Nenemi's house. What was his name? Onyeze's house. I did not jump in Onyeze's house. It was this. You say police did not arrest. The police did not handcuff you. Later the same you say you went and meet police that was only gone there. The police now say you should get that. Automatically they were police. If you see police there, say you go meet police, say you not get anything to do with them, you not get anything you want to do, say na police na put one call for your hand. Say na police na put one call for your hand. And she won't consider, she says she's not doing this to seek pity, but she just want to tell people that she has fought for women, she has fought for children, she has fought for single women, she has fought for this, she has fought for that with her blood and her money. What are you seeking for? Is that not pity? That is pity. That one has somebody, her body language, with all due respect to her and her follower, her body language now somebody will never repent. Now somebody will not learn from this thing will happen to her. Now somebody will go repeat this fake life tomorrow. For real. Me we just stay here. So I like to talk and real. I like to come up real. I like to talk as something say be. Should the case if your own pikin they listening to her, should the case if my pikin come across this video tomorrow, he will know say living fake life is the worst thing that can ever happen to anybody. Now she they come out they say she want people to know that she did not jump to the mass house. She not jump enter whether na Onyeze house, say na pose enter. Okay, you not see fine, you take an or hearing. You not jump enter. You just want to form fake life. Why you not apologize for the fake life? Why you not tell the world? Say no, they force you, say may you talk, say that house not be your own. Say the house not your own, may you bring proof, come out. Say you want come die for truth. Truth now, when you come and talk, say man, this house now your own, see the proof. All those ones where they talk, they intimidate me, I will understand. Everybody will understand. I beg my sister, enter us with shame. I beg you in the name of God. I know it's disgraceful. I know it's shameful. I know it's intimidating. Now what you put for granted, my sister, now grow, come out, now give you picking me you chop. So chop pan, belly food, drink water or beer. Drink water or beer on top, make you take digestion, sleep well, so that tomorrow you will look and whether you chop that kind of food again. So now come they come out, come they talk, say na so this, na so that, na so this, na so that, na so that. Say you don't want pity. What do you come want now? You want make I can't give you money? You're not happy with all this saga. Full you don't come social media with the fake life where you show people for social media. You want to get more than 10,000 followers again now. Now better thing now, you the popular for negative way. Now better thing. Sometimes if I see some women they do some things, I know they feel understand. Because me I believe say slow and steady win the race. me personally we sit down for here, so I believe say slow and steady win the race, because you know if you just wake up one morning just feel say you want your go, you want in fact you want from one step just stretch your leg go 10 stories, your leg go your ankles abi your lap, I don't know wetin dem dey call am, your bone go your pull. E go pull. We not get patient. We want just talk life for social media. We want just do one crazy thing for social media. Make we tell they get many followers. See what they follow many followers now. See the insult where they follow many followers. See the insult where they follow insult where they follow bad fame. See insult where they follow bad fame. See disgrace where they follow and they go. But when you start small, my brothers and sisters, when you know where you to put your leg, when you just focus on where you they go, when you focus on being a good person, believe me, you good energy now will follow you. Believe me, you must reach where you they go. It no matter how many years you take build your paradise. It no matter how many years you take build your palace. What's important? We say you build your palace to your own satisfaction. Now that one is important. So I hope my brothers and sisters learn from this girl mistake. I hope my brothers and sisters who sabi then get posed with another people things. I hope we learn from this, because now the repercussion, the results where they give person I be this one. Then that one are for this my sister. Then that one are for this my sister. This my brother where they call Onyeze. And I felt talking for the video I never publish. I talk and say now publicity this man wants. This is abuse of power. Abuse of power and be this. Make all of us raise hashtag Nigeria government do something, because your bodyguard no fit get handcuffed. That is oh God, that is illegal. That one are illegal. According to her, Mona draw herself go court. Say na law enforcement where we they pay, where the poor people they pay to protect them. Now one person pay to intimidate somebody where they supposed to they protect. He saying go wrong, go meet one. Where should they pay salary? Where it be say our money join? What they say they pay salary? Where they take off a family? Go wrong, go meet am, help am. He no help am. If not kill them, why you kill that poor girl? They go just kill am for free. Police to protect them. Police were supposed to protect them, for them not protect them. So make all of us raise our hashtag. More call on any state where they. I don't know the state where they. Who know the state where they are. Beg more and write down for under this my video. Make people for see and use and do hashtag. Make the commissioner of police of that state fish all those police people come, and she said na 3 police come there. I be 1 police now come there. Say the rest say they not be police. If they are not police, say they hold gun, big gun like that. They are criminals. They are criminals. They should be brought to justice. Make all of us raise our hashtag and say enough of the corruption, enough of the hashtag, enough of the bad egg in police department, in police whatever that they call them. Enough of the corruption, because if you not talk, my brother, you they say it not concern you. Me not talk, I they say it not concern me. Our children can't suffer this thing, just as me and you they suffer and so, because our parents refuse to talk where they're supposed to talk. They say, hey, you not concern me, you not concern me. Who they suffer and now? Who they exile? Not be their children. So this we should always learn from history. When we not start to talk, our children can't repeat this suffer. All of us they suffer. So our children can't repeat them. When I start to when the saga starts, I see the Onyeze with respect to him. I see they wear blame for social media. They show off for social media with respect to him. They show off for social media. That one not be life. Who are you showing off to? Now people where you don't better pass. Who are these people? People where you wanna affect they play for sand. People where not get, because you can never intimidate people where don't get. Now people where not get, now you go intimidate. Now this our mindset. Now all of us supposed to change. More change our mindset. So we want to intimidate people where not get. Intimidating people where not get. They make people they commit crime. They make people they do blood money. They make people they kill our brothers and sisters. One just take quick arrive because nobody know how you arrive. Nobody know how you arrive. As young as this man, which kind of business in they do now where they get all those kind of money? Which kind of business they do? Which company for the work? Okay, oh God, I don't want to talk on. If that money legit, I be legit, I don't know. If that money na pure money, I see your young rich. More forget say, not concern you, only God no, only not God no, he know, his friends know. Wetin they do. So all these ones na intimidation. I know they use this medium until they talk say wetin blessing do, say na better thing. Borrow pose not be for anybody. They live fake life. No, e not good. But if you choose to live fake life, that one na your cup of tea, na your life. Now you can get the disgrace when the disgrace go come. I know I can't follow you, Sharon. If disgrace enter my body, say they live fake life, you no worry, you no come follow me chop the shit. Why people they talk now? Because of the next generation where they look up to una, where be innocent, where go feel say a normal thing, where go come chop this shit tomorrow. Now make me personally they talk. I don't fit talk for any other person. Wetin make me they bring some things come out for wetin make me they give my opinion on some things. Now because of the next generation, because this is our own generation now. It's me that know past generation. This is my own generation. Only it will take the grace of God to just have mercy on us. It will take the grace of the good spirit to just pardon us. For real, my brothers and sisters, I they use this opportunity that they call on Nigeria law enforcement. Or in fact, anywhere they come there around the world, may they beg, may they seek justice, not because say that girl too good, oh, no, because she be citizen of Nigeria, because our police system now can corrupt pass for this world. Our police system not the function. It happened to this girl today. If it happened to your brother, if it happened to my sister tomorrow, for real, if it happen, injustice is too much. Person lie, reach to handcuff person put. He not reach to handcuff person put. This disgrace is okay. She not carry your documents. She not go court now, go change ownership. She not they fight you for court. Why you go handcuff her? Now she don't lay allegation. Say those people now talk. Say they not be police officers. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, as a good citizen of Nigeria, we want better future for our life, for our children's life. Please raise up your hashtag on any social media platform. Make we seek justice. This girl not they seek for justice now. She not they say she want make Nigeria government punish this man. Do you know if she they shake social media now with a hashtag say she need justice, that man that guy was saying get money now, if he sue and pay her money where he be saying the money where they build that house, when they look say a mansion, he go pay and pass. Money we go pay and go reach this blessing to build 2 of that house. Since he's saying a billionaire. So some people just get brain, don't know they use and they feel say to come they speak English for social media. Now be brain. That will not be brain, my brothers and sisters. Be the change you want and let me be the change I want. Let your voice out. Your voice is your power, my brothers and sisters. It's high time we take our Nigeria back. It's high time we fish out the bad eggs we dey for Nigeria so that make our life for better. Because Baba God don't do everything we want to do for Nigeria. He bless us with natural resources. Someone on they say God have mercy on Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. No, God have mercy on us to make us start using our common sense. To make us start using the blessing we create us with. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, I beg you to understand. I beg you, we all raise our hashtag to seek justice for this girl. More seek justice for him, because this one oppression. This one oppression of the poor. This one abuse of power. Now abuse of power now be this thing not fit happen for outside Nigeria. This kind of thing not fit happen for where you they stay. So my brothers and sisters, everybody they live free for where we dey. So for where me dey, so it's so secured. It's so secure. That make me the verse. See some pastors they say they want to pray for people where they are abroad. Pray for people where they are abroad for waiting now. This kind of thing will happen for Nigeria, so not go happen for abroad. Pray for people where they for Nigeria. Pray for people where they for Africa, and leave people where don't they okay for abroad alone. Leave them alone. If they not get document, no say God no want me to get documents. No say the good spirit no want me to get documents. If time never reach you want to get something, there is nothing you can do about it. If you like, you fast from now go reach 50 years. It not go happen because that time never reach. If God say you not go even stay for abroad, no matter how you dodge police reach, the day where that day they reach, where they say that they carry you go Nigeria or carry you go any Africa country or carry you go anywhere you from come, if that day reach, it must happen. It must happen, my brothers and sisters, with all due respect to everybody. Waiting all these pastors supposed feast for us, call for all this corruption to stop. They're not going to do one. They're not going to do one. They'll come abroad, come they lay hand for person here, say receive waiting. Receive waiting, my brothers and sisters. Please, I just pray the good spirit touch your heart and make you see from my point of view. Please, I beg you to understand. Make this girl, this blessing, make she enter us with shame. Enter us with shame. I think when I first see her they cry, I just look and say later I'll go watch them. I say okay, maybe she come out, come apologize to her fan to say I'm sorry for misleading you people. I think say that one she want to talk, or she still come out to say she want justice, say they abuse their power. The law enforcement people where she they pay to take off her. If not that one she they talk now, hey, it go make sense. It go make sense. That time you come from there, enter the owner of the house body. Not be today start now say you dey use person house take dey pose. Not be today start say you dey use a person car take dey pose. Many people for Facebook, for Instagram. Many people for Facebook, for Instagram, my brothers and sisters, you see all those motor where they take the pose, not be their own. Even go reach drink where they host. Some people borrow for their friend table. So what are we not saying? You they do and me don't first do and pass. I don't first do and pass. Just go my friend that see and see for table. Use and take pose as if saying my own. Maybe not be even my house I did. So everybody don't do them. So I beg you, there is nothing here. It's not good. Don't get me wrong. To form what you not be, it not good. It is not to give person heart attack. So make all of us deviate from her. Make all of us learn from her. Says now the end now be this. Now the end now be this disgrace. You know get the big pass now. Disgrace the end down. It's either you borrow the clothes. Can't disgrace you, say give me my clothes for where people dey. It's either person where you go borrow shoe, can't disgrace you, or person where you dey no ma shame must follow and come. So I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope all of us deviate from the life where it be say no make sense. From the life where it be say we dey live for our head, make we walk towards them. Waiting we want, we will get them. Now here the photo say, ask it shall be given. Ask it shall be given. Where they talk, walk towards what you they ask. You know, think they talk say, oh, I want eat rice tomorrow. Make you they sleep for your bed. You not go store, go buy rice. How rice want content for your bed now? It's not possible. Since you want eat the rice, stand up for your bed, go buy the rice. If you not get money, go go beg. Go beg. Go beg, wake up for your bed every morning, do one or two things, money will come. I not say go do illegal work, oh. I just they say go beg, country where you dey. Before they dark, from morning till 6 o'clock, at least you must see person will get good hearts. We go dash you normal maximum 10 euro. Say you not can see money. You must see person who will dash you money for real, my brothers and sisters. Won't stop to they live on, oh, God will send my helper to me. So I just hope you see reasons for me. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. I hope you don't take any of my message personal. Please, let's save ourselves. Let's save our neighbors' children. Let's say enough of the abuse of power in Nigeria. Till I come your way next time, this is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Don't forget to give my video thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my brothers and sisters. Till the next video. One love.